What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be fishing at a bass honey hole, and me and him are gonna catch our first ever bass today, hopefully. And we'll record when we're there, or if something cool happens on the way there. All right, guys, we made it. I think we're at the cross over here. I low-key forgot where the spot was, guys. It was right here. Okay. Right down there. Guys, yeah, guys, honestly, I don't know how the fish survive in here. Yeah. Holy shit. All right, I'm just gonna get straight to fishing, not gonna lie. I'll record if one of us catches a fish or a fucking toad again.
I'm fishing down here.
Okay, I'm gonna go fish over here. Alright, guys, this is the first spot I'm gonna fish at. Alright, guys, I changed to a better looking spot. Alright, I'm moving spots again. But this is the last time I moved spots for a while. I'm just gonna chill here and cast. Okay. Guys, these roots are crazy looking. Alright, up the cross, guys. Catfish. Go first.
Below its spine, by its body.
Back here?
Yeah. Below, yeah, like that.
Holy shit.
All right, hook him. There's a bunch of catfish?
Yeah,
How do you know?
because that's all that's in here.
You caught it
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
right there?
Fuck.
What the hell? What? What happened?
Yo, I need the pliers. Hold on. Actually,
You got it.
hold on. I'm just trying to figure out where the fuck. Where's the hook at? In his mouth, idiot. No fuck, but like in the eye. My bad.
It's in its eye? Let me see.
Yo, I need the pliers for that. Actually, it's pretty bad in here. Wait, actually, yeah, they're in the backpack, but
Just do it, bro.
no, I can't because it's hooked here.
No, it isn't.
Is it deleted?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright, you have a video?
Throw it in there. Throw him in there.
Yeah!
All right, now wipe your hands on the.
Catfish!
Wipe your hands in the water.
Fucking catfish!
Let's go.
Let's fucking go. Yo, guys, it's getting pretty late. Today was not, it was not a bad day, guys. Caught my first catfish. Yo, guys, I got a catfish! Right as I was talking, guys.
Kitty cat.
Meow, meow, meow.
Kitty baby.
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Wait, is it on the fucking treble? It is, okay. This is gonna be some dirty work.
This is gonna be some dirty.
I got a kitty cat.
Meow, 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 meow.
All Alright,
Kitty,
guys.
kitty, kitty.
I have pliers just in
I'm a
case.
cat. Meow. If you mess with me, you're gonna get scratched. Kitty.
Yo, release the braille. I need him lower.
Kitty. Here, kitty, kitty.
Yeah.
That's my favorite fish is catfish.
Yeah, guys. Ooh. It's nasty.
And then I'm gonna hold it and release it.
I'll try to get it to you. Ooh. Oh no. It's bad. The fish is probably like, oh, Jose's gonna catch me. Look, but he knows how to release. I don't. Yo, that's bad.
What?
It's like fucking in it super bad. Hold on. Alright. Got it almost? I'm not trying to make him bite me. Got him.
Nice.
You ready? Super sorry guys that we didn't make an outro. We were just walking home. We were super thirsty. We had to stop at the gas station, get some drinks. We ended up catching 2 catfish, and I did have a bass on, but it came off. And yeah, guys, we'll be posting another video probably Thursday. Most likely Thursday, guys. All right. Peace.